some of them don't. It's like it's all about them at that moment. That's why I don't have a lot of female friends too, because I be uncomfortable. It's like when I'm around niggas, it's like, damn, we bounce each other, we bounce ideas off of each other. We comfortable, like we fuck with each other, and y'all look at me as the bros and not like, oh, I'm a crack her type shit. So I don't have no problem with that. But females, it be hard as shit because certain things that you want to talk about, they like, I'm not talking about that, that's too much. Or they'll do it with someone but got fucking higher views and shit like that. But they still, that shit don't really still do what it's supposed to do.
It don't matter.
So,
like, realistically, it's so weird how this shit work, though, because I can start a new page right now and do what I'm doing now and somehow, some way hit 1 million views. None of that, like, that shit don't matter for real.
Because they look at numbers instead of listening to what the fuck is being said and how the person is doing it. Like,
I feel like that's another reason people like that, because it'd be more so like they listen to what Instagram saying or like what the next nigga saying about it.
Someone that's in your city and that's the same fucking gender as you. Like, I don't know.
But no, I feel like at the end of the day, it's like with us, with guys, we know like at the end of the race, it's enough money at the table for all of us.
Yeah, that's what the brother. You know what? Let's start this shit right now.
And we don't
that's where the brother shit comes.
And we don't think of it off like when we sit at the table. We don't think of it as like emotion. Like I feel like with women, is more so like we think logistically about it. Like is the money really worth it? Like is the grind really worth coming in? Like with women, they set the idea and it's like they put in the work, but once they start to see it get hard, they be like, I don't think I'm meant for this. With men, like it's like we already be in the fire, so it's like, is we gonna keep getting burned or is we gonna cool ourselves off? Like it'd be like that. I
got to separate one thing. Not all niggas like that.
Oh yeah, not all niggas is like that.
It's like it's just a genuine like, cause I fuck with y'all. I want y'all to win. I'll play y'all shit. I'll rock y'all shit. I'll post y'all shit. I'll repost y'all shit. Y'all ask me no price. I don't care. We already built the love and the bond behind it. But some niggas, bro,
they do not be like that.
They act off emotion. They want what you got. They want what they see that you got instead of asking you how you did it. They grinding their own way out. They'd rather just be like, I'm gonna stick on to him because he got what he got, and I'm gonna just like take from it little by little. Like it's like taking food off my plate, really. Instead of just like, I'd rather just sit at the table and learn from you, and you feed me. You feel me? You like, it's like
because I say
like that, bro.
Once you learn from that person, that's like, all right, cool. Speaking of that, I seen like Clinton. He was like, bro, he was like, I'm eating. He was like, I'm eating, you eating, but his man's wanted what he had. He like, bro, I don't even really care. He was like, you can take what I had. He said, and I eat what you got. He was like, since you want what I got so bad, give me what you got, and I eat that. He was like, bro, so you my man's more than anything. He was like, I don't give a fuck what I got. He was like, if you want it, he was like, I've been trying to show you how to get it. He was like, well, it's like you don't want to learn like that. He was like, you want what I got? So he was like, huh? And I was just say, it's like shit like that. You want to learn from harder.
I'm gonna take all the food on the table.
Yeah, like me, like bro.
Really gotta figure out
if you got question,
like I want you to grind for it, and then I'll give you my plate. But all the strength of just like, nah, bro, that's not love in my book.
It's
like,
not.
Cause if it was the other way around, you'll call me a hater. Like you'll be like, why you want what I got? Like you'll question that instead of hell no, you gotta go get it how I gotta go get it for real. And like the hustle behind it'll make me fuck with you more. That'll make me give you some shit like
that'll show me that you really want it.
Here. Like you been going so hard, like you motivating me how hard you going here. Instead of it's hard.
Man, like
you got something for like
what you been doing to like make it not hard. Like
you got something for me. What is this?
All right,
I got you.
Nah, that's facts.
I love this. Let me record it.
And it's crazy because
you can start recording.
I tell people,
and then like we can edit it up for real. But
I tell people like when Alpha Damo said like, if you don't show me like you got no work ethic, I can't really like look at you like sympathy, like empathy, none of that. Because it's like, bro, it's so much out here for people to do, and it's like you just being lazy, like you just looking for the next person to feed you when you can really feed yourself. Like I really had to sit back, look at it, and like really observe people to see like who was really feeding themselves and like who was just really eating off of people. So it's like once you learn that,
bro,
you gotta know who around.
You just gotta like you'll be put around the same people as you if you ain't like no leech. Like if you can hustle and get it on your own, I ain't saying we got to. That's really the problem with everybody trying to do it on their own. But also, it's the problem that like you trying to take off of what somebody else got instead of learning from it, being motivated by it. So, like we ain't trying to be no leech. Like just show the motivation behind it for real. Don't show that you trying to eat off my plate. Show how bad you really want it. You're gonna get it. That's the whole thing to it. Like, you're gonna get it if you want it that bad. I promise. Because I did. somebody else that was very successful did.
Facts.
The other person did. So if your dad was that guy, more than likely he was probably like, son, I'm gonna teach you how to go get it instead of just giving it to you, right? Like if I get it, I'm not gonna like
give it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna just give it to my kids.
You gotta work for it.
Yeah, you really do gotta work for it. Like how your grades, what you learned today? Did you learn anything from me? Did you learn anything from your mom?
You gotta put them out there to try.
Yeah, like just try. That's all it is. That's all it's about. Like, cause it's all going. Like at the end of the day, we all gotta go through a failure to win. So I just want you to know that failure ain't stopping you.
Facts.
So instead of just trying to get what I got, bro, like go learn. Like just keep learning, cause you're gonna get it. And then at that point, it's like we feeding off of each other instead of I'm eating and you not. We are eating, and we can put the next one. He's eating. Now we got 4 people at the table. If I fell off, I know all y'all got 100K for me. I'm back. Like it's not. It wouldn't be no falling off. We all bouncing off each other. So yeah.
It's straight like that. Now let's get into it. We're gonna keep that though. I'm gonna keep that though. And I'm gonna send that to y'all. Because y'all gonna use that for TikTok and shit.
That was good.
That was good. So if y'all wanna start off with y'all want the introduction, y'all wanna start off with the brotherhood collaboration. We already talked about that. And then we'll just dive into y'all personal purpose. I'm gonna just keep this up for the topic wise. The questions they probably already be answered, but y'all. Okay. Ty, cool.
Yeah. Cool.
I just always gotta check with. I know. I'm looking at his face. He's like, yeah, damn, I hear that shit. I can't wait to talk about shit.
Yeah. We definitely had those moments. I'll be sitting back listening too, though. Like everything ain't always gotta be said. You definitely gotta hear some first, though.
Yeah.
As soon as she started talking, I was like, bro, I feel you.
And that's how you sense like the lock in of like, okay, damn, I fuck with this person. And this is why I'm doing the things that I do with them. So yeah. All right.